Bhavika Gopa of 10th Arts got 137 votes. 137 votes out of 312. And here comes some twist. Jesta Acharya of 10th Arts got
तुम्हें नए गेम्स चाहिए, प्रोग्राम्स चाहिए,
इतनी एनर्जी से मैं काम करवाऊंगा तुम सभी का।
अठारह की हूँ, कोई बच्ची नहीं, नई हूँ पर कच्ची नहीं।
मानो या ना मानो तुम, कुछ बड़ा करने की है बारी यही, भविष्य देश का लिखने की तैयारी यही। बचपन से अब तक मेरी माटी ने दुलारा, आज मुझको है मेरे देश ने पुकारा। आज चल पड़े हैं हम सबके कदम, बदलने भाग्य देश का निकल पड़े हैं हम। आज चल पड़े हैं हम सबके कदम, बदलने भाग्य देश का निकल पड़े हैं हम। हो बनेगा देश महान जब वोट करेंगे हम। क्या तेरा क्या मेरा सब तुझ पे ही बारा, आज मुझको है मेरे देश ने पुकारा। अपनी यारों की खाओ कसम, बदलने भाग्य देश का निकल पड़े हैं हम। हो
कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी है सब अपने, यहाँ पे कोई बेगाना नहीं। हम तो यहाँ पे सब देश के दीवाने, तो हमसे कोई टकराना नहीं।
आवाज यही, अधिकार यही, आजादी का पुरस्कार यही, लोकतंत्र का पहले संस्कार यही, संस्कार यही।
अपनी यारी की खाओ कसम, करेंगे अपना पहला वोट देश के लिए हम।
Let's start with the results. So we don't have to worry in that area. So let's come to the results. Let's start with the head boys. So I will announce the votes which they have got from the elections. First of all, Kushwant Soni, he got 30 votes. From 312 votes, he got 30 votes. Second is Mano Vyas. I didn't announce the votes. He got 79 votes. Praveen Bishnoi. With a larger margin, he got 203 votes. So in the race of head boys, Praveen Bishnoi is leading, and we announced that with the results of head boy elections, Praveen Bishnoi will be the head boy of the school.
and I take this opportunity as my honor to announce the votes of head girl. So, out of 312 votes, Simran of class 12 got 38 votes. Out of 312, Bhavika Gopa of 12th Arts got 137 votes. 137 votes out of 312. And here comes some twist. Jesta Acharya of 12th Arts got 137 votes. It's we declare here that but each vote have value. And Simran got 38, total 312 votes. We can clap for each one of them. All the candidates, all the best. Very good. And now we will be casting chit. No issues. All are leaders. All are leaders. All are leaders. Both are leaders. See, it's God's decision, है ना? Both are leaders. I just said to you, आप दोनों leaders हैं, नाम एक ही आएगा, है ना? So nothing. Be normal, है ना? Just have a cheers hands. And the head girl for the session 2024-25 is Bhavika. Congratulations, both of you, and it's a good spirit.
Okay, so we got the results. All are happy? Okay, so we would like to hear some few words from head boy and head girl.
A very good morning to one and all present here. Myself, as you know, my name is Praveen, and I am very grateful to all of my voters and all of my family. They are all my family. I am very thankful to all of them as the votes, that is 203. You all are my family, and the who didn't vote me, or they all are my family. I will work for them and I will see their welfare and do this academic session 2024 and 2025. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all present here. First of all, thank you very much to all the voters, to the management, as well as to the teachers. Thank you for selecting me as your head girl. Thanks to everybody who voted for me, as well as thank you to all those who didn't even voted for me, because you guys create a good competition. Thank you, and I'm going to be with you. I'm going to promise you. As I always say, leaders don't create followers, they create more leaders, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm always with you, and thank you. I'm very grateful.